Chef Poul. With me today is RGT2. My regular staff are at work and out and about. It's Easter weekend, and I've had several people complain that they don't know what to make for breakfast, or they have to spend a small portion at McDonald's to get what they want. That's a load of BS. You don't need to, and there's an easy way to do this. So I got an English bagel right here. They're pretty cheap. They're not that bad. And I put a little bit of sweet mustard, some mayonnaise, and I fried up an egg. And I'm just going to put the egg over here. I mean, it's really this simple. It's really, really easy. I put a little bit of tinfoil because this is going to be for Amy. And she's obviously at work right now, so she's not going to be able just to grab this. So, and then over here, earlier I already fried up some side pork. It was on sale, and side pork's really good. It's not processed, so that makes it a whole lot better. It's that simple, guys. I've got a little bit of onion. Don't need a whole lot on that either. And a tomato. You slice it up nice and thin. And then I'm going to put a couple of slices of cheese on here. And then you close it up. And then I'm just going to wrap this with tin foil. And that's it. That is the quickest breakfast you're going to have. If you fry this up and then put this in your fridge, and then the rest of it you can have all prepped and ready, not a big deal. And then deliver that to Amy, and that's done. It's that easy. Guys, this is what making cooking great again is all about. Please hit that like, share, subscribe. We appreciate every one of you. Have a great Easter.